Hi everyone, wherever you are. Uh, Today I want us to do one thing, which is I want to show you how to activate your account. So let us go through how to activate our accounts. First thing, you come to menu as usual. When you come to menu, you click it, then go to shop. Go to shop, click the word shop, it will open to the next page, and here you go. $25, $50, $100, $200, $300, 400, 500, 1000, 2000. This is the maximum we have in Nexstar. So if whatever account you wanna activate, you click it. For instance, you wanna activate $200, here it is. You click the word start. You click the word start and it will take you to the next page. When it takes you to the next page, you click here, select payment method. You click payment method, whatever method you wanna use. You wanna use a Bitcoin, you wanna use USDT, you have it there. So in this case, maybe you want to use Bitcoin, you click Bitcoin, then it will take you automatically to buying. You click the word buy. The moment you click the word buy, it shows you successfully you purchase your package. So you have everything here. It is showing how much you want to purchase 200 worth of Bitcoin, and you also have your wallet here generated for you. The next thing is you copy this wallet, you copy it and go. That is what you are going to use to pay with Bitcoin or your USDT. You write exactly the Bitcoins provided here for you to be accurate. Or I also tell people you can also do, if you are doing $200, you go an extra and do to $1 or $2 to be accurate. Because sometimes when you put exactly $200, they can go less, they can go $199, and the moment they go that way, your account will not be active. So once you copy, you take this wallet, the next thing is when going to pay for it, always make sure you put an extra $1 or $2 to be safe. And when you do that, it automatically shows paid. We cannot pass through this part because we are not paying for it, but you can see it is showing processing, as you can see. But the moment it gets paid, your account gets activated and it shows paid. So for now, let's go back to our dashboard. When you go back to our dashboard, let me show you where you see where your account is active. Here is where you see your current plan. This is where you see where your account is active. In this case, if it is $200, it will show $200. So it is pretty much exactly that, nothing much, and you are good to go. Thank you so much.